Hello everyone, welcome back again to our WordPress Elementor add-on setup. So in my last video I showed you up to this part, and now in this video I'm going to show you how we can do the repeater loops at the first, and then we will move on here. Okay, so here we go. We have read news text and we didn't have the link set up here, so let's make the link first here. Echo settings. What was the link name? And we have to do this URL. Okay, perfect. Now link is there and we have the repeater item like this. Now let's go ahead and check. We have the first one, second, so if this one has anything special. Yes, this class has the one special. So the first item will have this HTML, and this one will have the others items will have a normal HTML, no classes here. Okay, so let's make it a very simple ones for you guys so that you can understand it, and let's make the rule loop here. Okay, so if you see the repeater, you can see we initiated the repeater class, and then we assign all the items in the repeater controller. So repeater, add control, repeater, and then at the end we have a list and then add control, and we added all the repeater values here. Okay, so what that means is that now we have a list array, and inside this array we will have another items here. Okay, so let's go ahead and PHP now we have a condition here, settings list, and then we just in here let's make here in diff. Okay, this is a much better way of writing HTML and PHP together. I like this way. And then we can have a for each loop here. For each we will have here settings list as key. Let's add the key because we need to do one condition here. Key item here, and then we will say PHP and for each. So it's ended here. Perfect. Now all good. Let's format the document. Okay, so the document is formatted now. Now let's make if let's say if key equals 0, then we end up in here. And I just have forgotten how to do else here. But never mind, I can do without an else condition here. I'm sorry, I should have done it with else. I'm not used to coding just like this. So what I can say is it has to be greater than 0. So this image will be implemented if key is 0. and if key is greater than 0, this one will be implemented. So that is the only things. I hate this way of coding. Obviously this could be made way better with an else condition, but never mind. So we have to go to item, not the settings anymore. Item, and what do we have here? Item and then image. All we need is image, then URL. Okay, so we need image and then URL. So the same thing is for here. Perfect, right? So if everything is okay, we should see the repeater now. Here we go. That's really cute, but we don't have any images here. Let's check it out why we don't have any images here. Source is code unknown. Yeah, it's unknown because we have not used echo, so we are not echoing anything and we are not getting an error. So this should be fine now. It should really work. Wow, we have these items now. The first one is this, like this. Now if we add one more item here, wow, it's really cool, right? Awesome. Now let's make this section colored. So do we have box background color? So this whole section background color, and then we have banner footer background color. So we have this one, banner footer and box. So box is this one. What we have to do is we have to add the style here. I could have add styling inline here, but it has a problem if I do style here, and then if I can attach like this class, I can do this class, okay, and then all these things, okay, like background and PHP blah blah blah. So the problem is if you use this same widget in this page multiple times, then the other settings, if you want to use different settings, it will be overridden. So best thing is that you have to put that here, background, and we have to take these settings from here, settings, and at the top we should have, it says section background color, not the box, section background color. So we do have this one, and let's copy it. We have footer background color here. Background color this one. So what does it? Video bottom list. Video bottom list. This one. So let's put it in banner footer background. Banner footer background. We should say banner footer. So what you can do is you can set that should be banner footer, and default color is this one. Okay, it's all perfect now. Let's save these things and check it out. Perfect. Change this color to red. Okay, it's not getting updated anyway. I think I did the same mistake. I didn't echo it. Have to do echo. Thank you guys for watching this series, and if you want to know how to use widgets with Elementor, I will make another tutorial with another one with view introduction. Okay, so here we go. It did have a very strong background, so let's make it white, and this one let's make it yeah, it's working perfect. So let's keep it this way. we should update the text color as well later. Okay, so yeah, thank you guys for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment your valuable feedback. And one more thing is that if you want to take help, you can go ahead and check our description, and you will be able to get a group called development with Epify Lab, and you can get any helps from here as well. Okay, so post your question and I will try to help you as much as I can. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Have a nice time. Take care.